Hi guys, it's me Janique618 and this is going to be my second unboxing of the Naturebox snacks. Last month in September I got my first box and now it's October. October, and I have my second box of snacks. This is like a little snack selfie issue. These are all the snacks that I got. I have the 3-month plan deluxe. I have blueberry num nums, apple pie oat clusters, honey Dijon pretzels, watermelon fruit chews, and golden apple tea biscuits. Here's the box. I've already opened the snacks and tasted them. Both me and my son tasted them. My son is 5 years old and he wanted to taste snacks with me, so we already tasted them off camera. The first one I'm going to show you is honey Dijon pretzels. Honey mustard flavored pretzel bites. My son doesn't really like these that much, but I like them. They look like this. And it tastes like honey Dijon mustard. It's like a powder on the pretzel. And it tastes good. They're like, they're crispy and they're good. The next one is golden apple tea biscuits. My son likes these. I have to check the back to make sure there's no nuts, because my son is allergic to peanuts. So I have to make sure before I give him the snack, I have to make sure that it says that there's no nuts in it. So most of these are pretty safe. So that's what it looks like. He ate a lot of these. They're like little cookies. They have like apples in it. I'm not going to taste it because I already had some. Blueberry num nums. These I can't give to my son because it has nuts in it. Tree nuts, almonds and coconut, egg, milk, and soy. And he also can't have egg. Well, he can have egg, but not plain egg. This is mini blueberry flavored oat cookies. This one I haven't tasted yet because my son can't eat it, so I didn't taste it. Looks like that. Just want to take half of it. That's the inside. That's falling out. They're good. Very good. The next thing is I got these last month and I got them again this month. So I love these apple pie oat clusters. My son can't have these either. Nuts. But I had these last month. So good. Look like that. It kind of looks like the Num Num, but This is soft and chewy, and this is crispy and hard. Looks similar though. Apple pie oat clusters. So good. I love these. I'm gonna say it. And the last thing, my son likes these too. My son likes these watermelon fruit chews. He doesn't like them a lot. He likes them a little bit. He'd rather have like fruit snacks, not fruit chews. This has no nuts in it. It's just fruit, watermelon, pear, apple. Just fruit. Still eating this. It smells really good. Looks like that. If you can see it. It's just little fruit chews. Oopsie, dropping it. Looks like that. It's good. It's good. So, that's 5 things that I got. Oopsie. That. That in the picture. So yeah, that was my nature box. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out Naturebox, go to www.naturebox.com. You can also call them. Their number is 888-613-6998. You can email them at support@naturebox.com. They're on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram too. And yeah, so if you want to get healthy snacks every month, you can pick between a 1-month subscription, 3-month subscription. I think it's 6 months, 9 and 12, but I'm not exactly sure. But I did it 3 months, which is about $50 every 3 months. So only every 3 months I'll get charged like $40 or $50. I think it's like 40 something. And so every 3 months I would get charged like $40 something instead of getting charged, $20 a month or whatever. So yeah, that's my video. Hope you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next month with my next nature box. Talk to you later.